Ready to unlock a world of premium apps? Let's dive into how to buy apps on the Google Play Store using your credit card. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it in your app drawer or on your home screen now. Use the search bar at the top to find the app you want to purchase. Once you've found the app, tap on it to view its details. Look for the price displayed on the purchase button. This button might say the app's price or say install if it's a free app. Tap the price button or the install button if you have purchased it already. A payment selection screen should appear if your credit card is already linked to your Google account. It will be listed here if it's not. Tap add credit or debit card. Carefully enter your credit card details, the card number, expiry date, CVV code, which is the 3-digit or 4-digit security code on the back of your card, and your billing address. Double check everything to make sure it is correct. After entering your card details, review your purchase one last time. You'll see a confirmation screen displaying the app price and payment method. Tap the buy or continue button to finalize the purchase. The app will now begin downloading and installing. A progress bar will show you how far along the process is. Once it's done, you'll find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an app on the Google Play Store using your credit card now. Go ahead and enjoy your new app.